Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, and not a good day at all for this one. In fact, the price is now knocking on the door of potentially having the chart take a very different look. But as of now, I'm not going to totally call things a disaster, but it's knocking on the door, like I said. And this all revolves around the bottom portion of this channel, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past. But if you have, I've talked about this area down here at $3.30 as a key level of support. And actually right now the price is slightly below there. But the thing with supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So in my opinion, at least, the price is still enough, within the range of this level where I'm still going to consider that a level of support. Now, if you are just a flat out traditionalist and you say, no, Clay, the price is down below that level, therefore this area needs to be considered an area of resistance, I would not offer up an argument against that because, yeah, you're right. But a lot of times, because, levels are not exact specific prices, the price stays within the range and all of a sudden, works its way back up there. So that's what I'm very curious going into Wednesday is, can the price get up above 330, or is this a true breakdown? Meaning, is the price just going to continue to separate further and further down? Now, if it goes down, it being the price goes down below 320, at that point, that is officially a full-blown breakdown. And at that point, like I said, and let me squeeze down the chart, that would really be starting to change the landscape of the chart. I'm not going to say destroy the chart, but really starts to change it. And the reason I wouldn't say destroy the chart is the price is still nicely up above the pink line here, which on my chart represents the very famous 200-period moving average. And that value right now is right around 303. So yeah, preferably speaking, you want to see the price get back above 330 as fast as possible. But even if the price does separate to the downside and make that official break to the downside of this channel, like I said, definitely not a great sign, but not the end of the world either. Now, if the price comes down to that 200-period and just crashes down through there, at that point, that's a much different story. But none of that has happened yet. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, let's see if the price can try to get back above 330 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.